Hey guys, welcome once again on our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the operations of multiplication and addition when we're using Excel. Let's go based on the example. So if you look in our Excel sheet, you can see now the first columns, which is let's call it item. This is an example that we are going to use and do some operation, those two operation of multiplication and addition. So this first column, let's call it items. For example, this is item number 1, rice and beans. The second one, we can have any other items. Yeah, so these are items that we can have many items, as many as possible, but let's stop here. So these are items that we are going to work on them, and then I'm going to show you how we do multiplication and additions automatically in Excel sheet. This is the example that I'm giving you guys. Stay tuned. So we go to the next columns, and let's call it, this is an example, let's call it quantity in kg. This is the number of kg that we want to buy, that we want to purchase. So we have here 4 columns. The first one, these are items, kind of items. The second one, which is quantity in kg, unit price, and total price also in USAD. So let's give some example random values of quantity that we are going to use when we'll be doing such operations. So these are numbers of quantity that we have. This is for example, have 46, 65, 72, 28. Also we have 48. These are examples of numbers that we are going to use. 22. We can also have 67. We also have 29. These are examples. These are examples. You can also have other numbers. We also have 64. We can also have 75. We can also have, these are examples, 26, 15. We can also use 18. We can put 44. This is an examples of number of kg that we can have you may have in your operations when you want to do the multiplications and addition. And also have this is the last let's stop here. We can have 6, 7. So let's go to the next column, which is unit price. Unit price, these are examples. Let's suppose that 1 kg of rice, so we have 46 kg of rice, and let's suppose that 1 kg is $5. 1 kg $5. So this is an example. 1 kg $5. 1 kg of beans, so it is $2. The other items, let's suppose that here we have $5 per kg, here 6, and here 3. Here we may have $2, and next one $4, and here 3, here 6, and also here we can have 5, and here $3, and also here we can have a $4, and here we can have a 3, 7. We may have also here 8, and also we can have here 9, and also we can have 4, and lastly we may have $7 per kg. So now this is the column of unit price. We're going to find out the total price by taking the quantity in kg times the unity price in order to get the total price of US dollar. So now, from now, this is the column that we're going to work on to find out by taking the column B times column C. B times C, which is D. So we take 46 times 5 in Excel. We are going to take 46 times 5. How are you going to do it? So this is the way you are going to do it. You click here. Once you click here, when you are going to do multiplication, this is multiplication that you are going to do. So you click in the column that you want to put the answer. So you write equal. Once you write equal, you go and click on the value that you want to multiply. So we click on B2. We write time is C2. So we click enter. Now the answer comes automatically. So we can do the next values using this stage. So we click B3 times. So we first of all we write equal, and then we click on the value. For example, here click on 72, and then we put this asterisk, and then we click on 5, and we should go to 360. Next one, we click on, we write equal, and then click on 28. Click on 28, and then asterisk, and then we click on 6. So we click enter. Next one, we click equal, and so on. We can do all these values using the same process, the same procedures. So you continue in the same procedure. You can see now how I'm working on it. So you may have a lot of numbers, or you may have a few numbers. So it depends on how many numbers, how many figures are you working on it. You may have a lot of many figures. So here, this is an example that how we took randomly. So you may have big numbers, I don't know. So now we are going to finish the multiplications. After that, we will be working on addition, which is also very easy. So this is how you normally do multiplication. Now you can see now we finish the multiplication, and then we have the total price. So this is the total price. We want to find out the total of this column D, the total of column D. So we are going to do it automatically in Excel sheet, and then you can see how we do it. This is what we want, the total of this column. So let's just write here that we have the total of this column D. So now, how are we going to do it? In order to find the total of column D, you can see now we are going to put it here in order to do it. To find out the total of this, we go to formula. Once we go to formula, we go to Autosum. Now in Autosum, you can see that we have many options. We may have more functions. So we go to Autosum. Now we click on sum. So once we click on sum, we can see now this comes automatically because we have been working on these columns. So you may click on some value that you don't want to appear in the total. So once you click on sum, now you click enter. So now we are done. This is how you can do multiplication and addition. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you are new on this channel, kindly remember to subscribe. Bye.